Hi everyone, welcome to the review session for your semester 1 assessment. I'm excited to guide you through this important review to help you to reflect on your performance for this semester. Okay, so for number 1 here, we are going to use the inequalities equations. Okay, if we have like this kind of inequalities like this, means you have to expand it one by one like a rainbow multiplications. So you will have a 4 multiplied by 3, it is going to be 12. 4 multiplied by negative x, it is going to be negative 4x is less than negative 8. Now we need to leave the negative 4x alone, so you have to move the 12 to the right side, means you will have a negative 8 minus 12. Then we simplify it so that you will have like this kind of inequalities. Now we need to leave the x alone, means you have to divide the negative 4. If you have a division in your inequalities, means it is going to be flipped. So it's effect to the effect for the division and multiplication of the negative number, you have to flip the sign. So that negative 4 divided by negative 4, it is going to be 1, so 1x. Negative 20 divided by negative 5, it is going to be positive 5. Why is it positive? Because of negative divided by negative, it's going to be positive. Then, this is how we solve the inequalities. Now, move on to 1b. Hence, write down the smallest square of which satisfied for the inequalities actually. Okay, so we only need to draw the inequalities of the answer. So it is going to be a 5 here, 4, and 6. Because of your x is greater than 5, means you will have like this. Open, circle, and to the right sides. Because of x is greater than 5. Now, we need to continue the number line until you got the square number here. After 6, you have a 7, 8, and 9. So we stop by 9 because of it is going to be your smallest square number. So 9 is going to be your answer. It's done. Now let's move on to number 2. Number 2, you need to simplify this. So if we have like this kind of questions in the power like this, means you will have 28 x until 6 times, and y also until 8 times. If you already know how to do that, actually you don't need to list down like this, but I'm using this because of, I'm a teacher, so I need to do it step by step, so all of my students understand how to do it. Okay, we have 4 here for x, so we need to cross out for x also at the top. We have 5y here, so we have to cross the y at the top. Now 28 and 7 also, you can simplify it. This one is a 1, this one is a 4. So you will have a 4. X we have 2 here, so x squared. Y we have a 4. So y to the power of 4. That's it. This one is going to be your final answer. Done. Now let's move on to number B. We need to solve the equations when you have like this kind of questions. You don't need to expand it, guys. Remember, if you have the factorized equations already, you just need to rewrite it like this, equals to 0, or x plus 1 is equals to 0. So 5x is equals to positive 8. X is equals to, divide them by 5. So 8 divided by 5. Done. The other side, x plus 1 equals to 0. So x is equals to negative 1. Done. So you have two possible answer here. Not possible answer, two answers here. That's why you have 2 marks. Okay. Now let's move on to number 3A. We need to expand and simplify. This square means you will have x plus 3, x plus 3. You multiply it. Do the rainbow multiplications like x multiplied by x multiplied by 3. So you will have a x squared plus 3x. And you do this one at the back. 3 multiplied by x, 3 multiplied by 3. So you have 3x plus 9. Now, we continue with the next one. It's basically plus x plus 4, x minus 2. This one is also, you do the rainbow multiplication. X multiplied by x is x squared. X multiplied negative 2 is negative 2x. Do it the same thing like the previous one, but using this 4 multiplied by x, it is positive 4x. 4 multiplied by negative 2, it is negative 8. Pardon my handwriting, yeah. Okay, so now we do the grouping. We have 1x plus 1x. If you want to rewrite it, is also okay. 3 plus it with 3, so 6x. Negative 2 plus 4 is positive 2x. Plus 9 minus 8. Okay, so we will have a 2x squared plus 8x plus 1. This one is going to be your final answer. Done. Alright, now let's move on to the number 3B. But because of the restriction of this video making is only 10 minutes, so I will continue in the next video.